In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can find the best DNS servers for you, which will give you better ping and faster speeds. After opening up your favorite browser, you can search for this link that I will provide you in video description. If you search in this search bar, it will take you to this page of DNS optimizer where you can download this. Best simply click here on this download button and it will start downloading and show you here. After downloading, you can open your downloads, and if you double click on that, it will open up like this. You can click here, run. Click extract, and then you will get this type of dashboard like name, bench and number of queries, which will be on this 250. From here you can change it to 50. You can type here and click on start benchmark and close it, and then simply search for network. It will show you this view network connections. Click here and then it will show you these show Wi files. You can select anyone and right click on that and open properties from here, and from properties you can select this internet protocol version 4, and then it will appear this properties option at the bottom side. If you click on that, here you can type this preferred DNS server or alternate DNS server. Now in preferred DNS server you can type here 1111, and in alternate DNS server you can type 1001. That's the DNS from Cloudflare, and this Cloudflare's 1111 DNS server has been ranked as the fastest DNS. So that's the process to find the best DNS server for you that will give you better ping and faster speeds. And after doing this all, you can simply restart your PC.